Looks like a nice day today. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of the LOREX 4K Ultra HD IP NVR system. This video is not sponsored by LOREX. The model of this camera is 4KHDIP88NW. I purchased this on Cyber Monday. I was recently going to purchase on Black Friday, but it was the same price. This came to about 1,600 Canadian, roughly it's about 1,200 American. Okay, let's get started. We got a box of chocolates. So this must be the camera. Yeah, it's a 4K IP eyeball dome camera with audio. And this model is LNE8950AB. There should be 8 cameras. It's an 8-camera system. What the? This box is damaged. Here there should be 8 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. This must be the system. Comes with a 2 terabyte hard drive. The model for this is N841A82. So this is 8 channels, so you're able to put 8 cameras. Take a look at inside one of the cameras. So this is the Ethernet. This system is a POE, so it means power over Ethernet. So all it uses one single cord, this Ethernet cord, which transmit data and powers this device. This looks pretty sweet. I'm not sure why they have this power attachment. And this is where you plug in the internet cord. This is the audio where it records the outside noises. Feels pretty sturdy. It's like a metal exterior. Now let's take a look inside the system. Oops. This is the newer model. It's a newer design compared to the other ones on the website, which is black and boxy. This looks like a modern futuristic look to it. So you have your 8 channels, the power, VGA, HDMI out, your USB cord for your mouse. This is your internet source. It's a pretty nice design overall. Quick startup guide, remote access guide, some French manuals in Spanish, some stickers to put in your window. Here's your internet cord, HDMI power cord. And the mouse.